Hey everyone, let's talk about something spooky that might be lurking in your life. Not ghosts, not vampires, but money monsters. Yes, those sneaky beliefs that haunt your wallet and sabotage your finances. Imagine each negative money belief as a little monster. There's the fearful Freddy who whispers that you'll never have enough money, or the impulsive Iggy who jumps in every time you pass a sale, urging you to buy. First, let's shine some light on these monsters. You see, they hate that. Understanding your money habits is like turning on the lights in a dark room. Suddenly those scary shadows? Not so intimidating. Now let's talk about taming these monsters. Start by setting up a budget. Think of it like a monster trap. When you know where your money is going, fearful Freddy starts to shrink. Suddenly he's not so loud anymore. Next, let's deal with impulsive Iggy. Try this. Wait for 48 hours before you buy anything that's not a necessity. More often than not, the impulse will pass, and you'll realize you didn't need that item as much as you thought. Remember, taming these money monsters doesn't happen overnight. It takes patience, persistence, and a little bit of bravery. But I believe in you. You've got this. So don't let those money monsters scare you. Stand up to them and reclaim your financial peace. Thanks for watching, and let's keep breaking free from these financial fears together.